You all are well aware of the famous brand MI in the Indian market. By reading the title, you guys already know that I am going to do the unboxing and review of Redmi Note 9 Pro. I very well know that it's been a few months since this smartphone has launched in the market, but as I have purchased this product for one of my family members, I thought I should make this video for you guys as you all are also a part of my family. And let me tell you one more thing, this video is not a promotional video. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at Technocrat_Dhruval. So now without any further ado, let's get started with unboxing and review. Hey guys, what is up? This is Dhruval Patel. Welcome to my channel Technocrat Dhruval. Here I am presenting to you the brand new Redmi Note 9 Pro. Before we begin with unboxing, let's look around the box first. So the quality of the box is premium quality. On the top right corner, there's Xiaomi Mi badging. On the top left corner, there's a badging of India's #1 smartphone brand. On the downward portion, they have highlighted that this smartphone is loaded with Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor. There's a badging of Redmi Note 9 Pro on both the vertical sides of the box. Here are the manufacturer's details. On the bottom of the box, they have listed some key features. As you can see, this phone is glacier white in color with 4GB RAM and 128GB storage. It's a made in India product. Here they have said it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor, 48 megapixel AI quad camera, 6.67-inch display and 5020 mAh battery. Now let's do the unboxing. So here is the SIM ejection tool. Underneath, there's a user guide to this smartphone. Let's open it. Here you can find the few details about this phone. There's also a plastic transparent phone case. If I squeeze this cover, it regains its original shape quickly, so it's really nice in quality. Underneath the user guide and phone case comes the main product, Redmi Note 9 Pro. Removing the plastic cover from the brand new smartphone is so satisfying. Just look at this, so fresh and clean. We'll talk about the details later. Let's see what other things we have got. So here is the charging adapter and the cable. This is an 18-volt fast charging adapter. Here we have got USB to Type-C charging cable. Now let's talk about some details of this smartphone. Here we get 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on front and back side and 16 megapixel front camera. On the top of the phone, there is an IR blaster and secondary microphone. The curved edges of this phone gives it really sober and elegant design. At the bottom, you get 3.5mm jack for hands-free, charging slot, primary microphone and speaker grill. On the back side, there's 48 megapixel rear camera. Here is the SIM ejection tool. Let me show you. So here is the tray for 2 SIM cards and SD card. Let's have a look at the interface. It is really smooth to operate. On the right side of the phone, there's an unlock button which is also the fingerprint sensor, and above that there's a volume up down button. Let's see what we have got in camera. Here you get multiple options for shooting. You can take photos in normal as well as ultra wide angles. Let's see the details about this phone in settings. So here you can see this phone operates on a MIUI 12.0.1 version and comes with Android 10 OS. It has octa-core max 2.32 GHz CPU. This phone is really one of the best budget smartphone you can buy. This smartphone comes with 3 color variants: Glacier White, Interstellar Black and Aurora Blue. It comes with 4 variants when it comes to RAM and storage: 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, 4GB RAM, 128GB storage, 6GB RAM, 64GB storage and 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. The basic variant starts with 13,999 INR. So guys, this is it from Redmi Note 9 Pro unboxing and review. This smartphone is really awesome. Thanks for watching guys. Please like this video and share with your friends and family. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit the red subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload new video. Also follow me on Instagram at Technocrat_Dhruval. We'll see you guys in the next useful video. Till then, stay safe and stay motivated. Peace.